Hi everyone, let us solve for the value of x. Now 25 can be expressed as 5 squared, right? So we can rewrite this equation as 5 to the power of x plus 5 squared raised to the power of x is equal to 50. But recall that a to the power of m raised to the power of n can be written as a to the power of n raised to the power of m. Okay, so that means that we can rewrite this as 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 is equal to 50. Now recall, or not recall, you can see, observe that we have 5 to the power of x here and 5 to the power of x here as well. So we can say let 5 to the power of x be equal to y. Therefore, we can write y plus y squared is equal to 50. Okay, now let's bring this 50 inside. If we bring it inside, we have y squared plus y. I want to bring this to this side because this is a quadratic equation, so our square is supposed to come first, right? So y squared plus y minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's solve this using quadratic equation formula, but note, we are not looking for the value of y, we are looking for the value of x. So I would like you to watch to the end and see how we are going to find the value of x using our y. Okay, all right, now let's continue. So from here, our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to 1, and our c is equal to minus 50. Okay, so we can see from here, if we are looking for the value of y, the quadratic equation says that it is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. All right, now our y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of, now b squared is 1, right? 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is minus 50, everything divided by 2 multiplied by a, which is 1. So our y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 times minus 50 is minus 200. Okay, minus 200 divided by 2. So our y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus, because minus multiplied by minus is plus 200 divided by 2. Therefore, our y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 201 divided by 2. All right, now I want us to look closely. Recall that our y, we have two values of y from here, right? That our y is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 201 divided by 2. That is the first value of y. Now we have the second value of y to be equal to minus 1 minus square root of 201 divided by 2. Okay, but before we go ahead, please hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you're seeing this amazing channel. Yes, and please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. We upload videos every day, so ensure that you tune in to watch new uploads. Okay, thank you very much. Now I want us to note, recall that our y is equal to 5 to the power of x, right? Therefore, if we solve y, if we say that y is equal to 5 to the power of x, that means we can solve for y to the power y1, right? So it means that y1, which is 5 to the power of x, is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 201 divided by 2. Now, the only way we can get the value of x from here, since x is our power, is to introduce log to both sides of this equation. So let's go ahead and do that. So we are going to introduce log to base 5, okay, to both of them. So log to base 5 of 5 to the power of x is equal to log to base 5 of minus 1 plus root 201 divided by 2. Okay, now when you have log a raised to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, so that simply means that we can bring this down and write x multiplied by log 5 base 5 is equal to log to base 5 of minus 1 plus square root of 201 divided by 2. Alright, now when you have log a base a, this is equal to 1. Permit me to continue from here, okay? Okay, so recall that log a base a is equal to 1. So that means that what we have here is x multiplied by 1 is equal to log to base 5 of, now this is what we are going to solve next. So I'm going to clean it, but let me write it somewhere. Our y2 is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 201 divided by 2. Okay, so let's go ahead. So y to base 5 of what? Minus 1 plus square root of 201 divided by 2. So that simply means that the first value of our x is equal to log to base 5 of minus 1 plus root 201 divided by 2. Now that is it for the first value of our x. Now for the second value of our x, recall that our y2, okay, that is our y2, I wrote it somewhere, remember, is equal to minus 1 minus root 201 divided by 2. So that is our second y. Now recall that our y is 5 to the power of x. Therefore, we can write 5 to the power of x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 201 divided by 2. Now, I want us to look at this very well and observe something. If we should solve this, we are going to get a negative value, all right? And we are going to use logarithm to solve for x. So if we introduce logarithm to the left-hand side of this equation and also introduce logarithm to the right-hand side, it's not going to be possible for us to find the value of x because there is no log of a negative number. Therefore, this one is rejected, and that gave us only but one value of our x, which is this. Thank you so much for watching.